Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with Lexis and Company. So today we're going to discuss Delhi High Court's guidelines regarding prisoners have fundamental rights to get compensation for work-related injuries suffered in jail. The Delhi High Court has issued a slew of guidelines for cases where an inmate or convict sustains work-related injuries in prison. Observing that there are no monitoring or remedial mechanism available to address such cases, Justice Swarna Kant Sharma observed that when there is no employee or employer relationship between prisoners and jail authorities, such inmate must be provided protection and remedies for work related injuries, as the constitutional vision does not permit any citizen to be left remediless for availing compensation for injuries even as a prisoner. Noting that there are no rules regarding compensation to prisoners against industrial injury or occupational disease in Delhi, the court observed that the justice for an inmate who has suffered disability due to an injury suffered which is work related in the prison has fundamental right to get justice and compensation as per law. The court added that a three-member committee consisting of Director General Prisons, Medical Superintendent of a government hospital and Secretary of DSLSA of the concerned district will be constituted to assess the quantify compensation to be paid to the inmate after pursuing the opinion of a board of doctors which will be constituted at their request by the treating hospital. The court clarified that the arrangement in terms of guidelines will remain in place until necessary guidelines or rules are made or amendment in the Prison Act 1894 in Delhi Prison Acts 2000. Regarding this matter, the court observed that the constitutional jurisprudence is mature and portrays signs of progressive mature society. The court said that the living and working condition of prisoners have to be hassle-free and healthful, and liability has to be established in case of an inmate suffering from injury while working in prison. Therefore, the court further observed that it is time that the authorities of prison, which are correctional homes, act as guardians of the prisoners for their health and safety and not merely consider themselves as guard of the inmates. Thank you. See you in next video with some more information.